Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, dear respected Hujjaj. Inshallah, in this video, I'll be showing you how to download the Nusuk application, how to create an account, and also how to make a reservation for the Noble Rawda. So please follow along. Depending on if you have Apple or Android, it will use the App Store or the Play Store. So please enter the App Store. Write down Nusuk as such. Search, and you will find this application. On the Play Store has 2.9 stars and over 1 million downloads. We'll hit install, and it'll take a moment for this application to install. While this is installing, we can prepare our passport number and find our visa numbers. Now that the application is downloaded, we can open it. This is what the front page will look like when we've downloaded the application. Now we're going to begin by creating an account. We will select out of these three options international visitor, and we'll select our nationality. We'll pick Austria just as an example, and we will write our own passport number that you can find inside of your passport. I'm writing these numbers as an example, fillers. Then it will ask you of your visa number that you will find on the Saudi e-visa that everyone should now have received. Now we'll enter our birthday, January 2000, for example. Do you require any special assistance, such as wheelchairs and such? We will select no, select yes if you need to. We'll enter a password that fulfill their requirements. It needs to be 8 characters, 1 upper, 1 lower, such as this, or any password that you're used to. Let's continue and select create account. It'll ask us for a phone number, selecting the country code. We'll select the United States. Any phone number, whatever phone number you have. We'll select continue. Here is the final step to creating an account. You'll need to enter a valid email address, whatever your email address is. And then once you've hit continue, it says here, enter your email address to receive an OTP verification code. Once you've hit continue, it's going to send you a one-time password. That's what OTP stands for. And then your account will have been created. This is the final step to creating an account. I already have an account, so this is a filler email address that I entered here. It's going to ask me to fill the one-time password for this filler email that I sent. Once we've created our account, we'll come back to the main page and log in. We will select international visitor, select our nationality. We will enter our passport number. Then we'll enter our password. Once we've entered our passport number and our password, we'll enter login. And it'll once again ask for a one-time password from our email address. I've received my email address. It's 6357. Once we've entered sign in into Nusuk application, we'll have these three options in front of us: Hajj, Umrah, and Rawda book permit. We'll enter into here, select our name, it should pop up, hit continue. We are in the month of May, so there is no available reservations for the month of May, but for the coming month in June. It's jumping, it's a bit glitchy. So we'll see that through this whole week there are available dates. So each group is going to be sharing, each group leader is going to be sharing a time that their group will enter the Rawda. And these are the valid times. We want to select the morning time at 3 a.m. and then we will select confirm. It'll show us a summary of our Rawda permit, and it'll ask us to accept the Noble Rawda instructions. And once we've done all of this, we will hit submit, And for me, it'll issue an error because I already entered within this year, but for everyone else, it'll give you a confirmation that your permit is confirmed. Once you've received confirmation of your permit, you'll be able to find it once again on the day you want to enter. On the main page, you'll select permits on the bottom here, and your current permits will show up here, and older permits will show up here. You'll be able to view details, and your permit page will look just like this, and there will be a barcode here that will activate 2 hours before your entrance into the Rawda Mutahhara.